Outdoors, tools like multi-tools, stoves, and cookware are invaluable. These small wonders conquer challenges, while survival kits offer refuge against nature's wrath, a shield against extreme conditions. Number 1. The Black Diamond Storm Headlamp. In complete darkness, navigating the woods or making it through an emergency can feel like an impossible task. Day hikes still benefit greatly from having access to light. Think about how useful a headlamp like the Black Diamond Storm would be while exploring dark woodlands. It's both durable and adaptable, with a 250 lumen output, with modes for distance lighting, signaling, and power conservation. Those who want to stay up late may appreciate the red and green night vision modes. It's slim but sturdy enough to hold 4 AAA batteries, guaranteeing long life and reliable operation. This headlamp is ideal for any outdoor excursion because it provides constant illumination despite rain or dust. Number 2. EDC Kit. Let's pack our whole survival equipment and get started on our expedition. Meet your new best friend, the EDC Kit, a bespoke lifesaver designed specifically for you. While each individual's EDC kit will be unique to their needs, prepackaged sets can be excellent jumping-off points for new explorers as well as veterans of the great outdoors. The acronym EDC comes from the military slang for everyday carry, which accurately describes how practical these items are. EDC contents change depending on whether you're a hiker or a soldier. Think of a rucksack that has everything you need in case of an emergency and one that is small enough to fit in your pocket. Number 3. MSR Pocket Rocket 2. Water, food, shelter, and rest are all highly valuable under Maslow's hierarchy of needs. A fire starter is the most important survival item, since it may be used to create heat, light, and cook food. It's what keeps you alive, hydrated, comfortable, and safe from harm. The MSR Pocket Rocket excels as an ultralight camp stove, making it a great choice for backpackers going on long trips. The significant weight reduction makes it easy to carry, and it takes only 3 minutes to bring water to a boil. Having a spare fuel container makes the system versatile enough to use in a variety of climates and elevations. Number 4. Personal Water Filter Bottle. Water is essential to life, but even if it can be easily obtained, its purity is not guaranteed. The Life Straw Go is a water bottle with a built-in filtering straw. A well-maintained microfilter can protect against bacteria, parasites, microplastics, and more for up to 1,000 gallons of water. Not only does it prevent harm, but it also improves the flavor of the water. It's also great for regular life and seeing the world, not only survival. Use this clever tool for safety in unfamiliar waters, whether you're fishing in your backyard or traveling to faraway locations. Number 5. Emergency Shelter. Keep yourself covered. A safe place to live that provides protection from the elements and peace of mind is essential for survival. The challenge is figuring out which of many emergency shelters is best for you. Tents provide seclusion and convenience, and they are cumbersome to carry. Tarps are more portable, but they provide less protection. The emergency blanket is small and warm, but it doesn't provide any anonymity. The answer depends on the individual's preferences and the context in which they find themselves. Keep in mind that shelter is an essential part of your survival kit because it'll keep you dry and warm. Pick your partner carefully, and you'll both be able to ride out the storm. Gear up with essentials like headlamps, stoves, EDC kits, and shelters to conquer nature's challenges. But wait, there's more. Discover gadgets that bring ease to outdoor life. Number 6. Military Glass Signal Mirror. A high-quality signal mirror or heliograph becomes an essential escape tool in the area of survival. In the opinion of seasoned explorers, glass mirrors are more practical than plastic ones. When not in use, put it in a first aid bag, where it'll be safe from harm. This glass reflector is made to military specifications, so you may use it as an outdoor communication device. In addition to its emergency use, it can also be used to apply sunscreen. Using the power of reflected light, it serves as a rescue beacon for up to 7 miles, drawing the attention of passing pilots and motorists to your predicament and location. Number 7. Multitool Bracelet. Wearable multi-tool. The revolutionary Tread Bracelet, a wearable multi-tool marvel, is a new find of mine. The Multitool Bracelet is a multi-tool with 29 different uses: wrenches, screwdrivers, a glass breaker, a cutting hook, and more, built into its functioning links. This wrist-worn marvel is the perfect combination of function and fashion for bikers and motorists. This multi-tool will take you on an exhilarating adventure into the depths of practical inventiveness. If you're interested in that sort of thing, which you should be. Number 8. Headlamp. Light up the night. A reliable source of illumination is critical when one's life is on the line. A reliable headlamp is your ally, lighting the way and illuminating the task at hand. LED, rechargeable, and waterproof headlights are the 3 most common types. LEDs are effective and long-lasting, yet they may be too dim to see well. The environmental friendliness of rechargeable choices comes with the responsibility of remembering to charge them. Outdoors, waterproof devices are preferable, but they may be dim. Your individual needs and circumstances should guide your decision. Keep in mind that a headlamp is an essential part of any survival pack, as it'll help you see in the dark and be safe. Choose the one that works best for you. Number 9. First Aid Kit. Be prepared for anything. Injuries are a wild card in the game of survival. As a result, having access to a quality first aid kit is crucial. The variety of available kits, though, can make it difficult to settle on one. Gauze, antiseptic wipes, bandages, and pain medications are the basics of any first aid bag. It's important to take into account any allergies or chronic diseases that a person may have. Don't leave home without a first aid book or smartphone app. Your decision should be based on how it will function in your life. Never forget the importance of having a first aid kit as part of your survival arsenal. Pick the one that fits you best and take comfort in being ready for anything. Number 10. Garmin InReach Mini Handheld Iridium Satellite Communicator. Keeping in touch with the outside world is not just a convenience, but a need when out in the great wilderness. In comes the mini but game-changing Garmin InReach Handheld Iridium Satellite Communicator. This lightweight, convenient, and clever communication gadget could be the difference between life and death. With limitless cloud storage, it helps with planning and instant messaging, even when you're in a region with no cell service. It guarantees a continuous connection to modern society. If you're ever trapped in the wilderness or need to send someone an urgent message, this Garmin communicator will be your lifesaver. So, in a world where uncertainties abound, survival gadgets emerge as our modern-day heroes, ready to rescue us from the brink of chaos. From solar-powered chargers to fire-starter bracelets, these ingenious creations embody the spirit of preparedness in every form. But remember, this is just the beginning of your exploration into the world of survival tech. Stay tuned for more captivating insights on our journey to uncover even more ingenious innovations that could save the day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.